Hello all. Next we will discuss about pointer to pointer means double pointer. So normally the pointer stores the address of a variable, right? In double pointer, the variable stores memory address of another point. So we can check with one example. Int x equal to 10. Now we can declare one pointer variable in star p that will contain address of x, right? Now we can just print of the data percentage d x only. We can put one new line also. We can access that value through pointer also, right? So we can value of x is equal to, we can type star p. Can run this. Now we are accessing value of x, right? So now we want to store address of this pointer. So in that case, we can use double pointer. So star we can tell d. That is equal to an address of p. So double pointer will store the address of this pointer. Now we can access the value of x through double pointer also. Now we can give here value of x. We can star d. Then we will run this. See, we are getting value of x. Okay. Suppose we are changing the value. How we can change? Star d. We can tell 50. We will run this. See, the values are changed to 15. So we can use multi-level pointers also. Okay. So in this double pointer, we can hold the value of another this level pointer only. We cannot to directly tell here. We can tell and x. We cannot to tell this. This we will run. We will throw error because initialization of in star from incompatible pointer type in star. We cannot to assign like this. So double pointer we can assign the address of single level pointer only. Star. Like this we can use another pointer. Star that can hold the address of this double pointer only. We cannot to tell here and p. We will run this. That time also we will get error. Okay. So this will point to double pointer only. Now we will run. Now no error. We can print the value of x. Star. We can run. Now also we are getting the output. Okay. Pointer to pointer means pointers that stores the memory address of another point. Okay, thanks for watching.